Today we learn how to calculate Z-bus in power system. Here the three bus network is given. Bus number 1, bus number 2, bus number 3, bus number 1 and bus number 2 connected with the generator. We know very well that the bus is connected with generator that take is a reference bus. So here we convert in a graph form. Reference bus connected with the bus number 1, reference bus connected with the bus number 2, and bus number 1 is connected to bus number 3 and bus number 2 connected with the bus number 3. Every line have a line impedance 0.6 is reference bus to bus number 1, 0.5 ohm impedance is reference bus to bus number 2, bus number 1, 2, 3 line impedance is 0.25 and bus number 2 to 3 line impedance is 0.5. Now we calculate the Z bus. Step 1. The new bus 1 is connected with reference bus R. Bus new is equal to Z bus old 0 0 0 ZB. Here Z bus old is a 0 and 0 0 and ZB is a line impedance that is a 0.6. So the Z bus new is equal to 0.6. Now similarly step 2, new bus 2 is added with reference bus R. Z bus new is equal to similarly Z bus old 0 0 0 to 0 and ZB. Here Z bus old is equal to 0.6 and 0 0 and new bus Z2 bus 2 is connected with the reference bus and that line impedance is 0.5. So here we put 0.5. Step 3, new bus 3 added with old bus 1. Now the Z bus new equal to in a matrix Z bus old Z1j up to Znj and Zjj plus Zb. Similarly here Zj1 up to Znj. Here the Z bus old is 0.6, 0, 0 and 0.5. The bus number 3 is connected with the bus number 1. So we put in a third column that the bus 0.6, 0. Similarly here we also put the 0.6, 0 and Zjj. Zjj is a line impedance of between bus number 1 and bus number 3. The line impedance between bus number 1 and bus number 3 is 0.25 plus ZB is a 0.6. So total 0.6, 0, 0.6, 0, 0.5, 0, 0.6, 0 and 0.85. Now the step 4, old bus 3 connected with old bus 2 and Z bus new is equal to Z bus old minus 1 divided by ZB plus Z23 plus Z32 minus Z22 plus Z33 minus 2 times Z23 in and CB and CB transpose. And what is a CB? CB is a difference between bus number 2, impedance difference between bus number 2 and bus number 3. So CB is equal to Z21 minus Z31, Z22 minus Z32, Z23 minus Z33 is equal to Z21 is a 0 and 0 minus 0.6, Z22 is 0.5 minus 0, that is a 0.5, and Z23 minus Z33 is a 0 minus 0.85, and the CB transpose is equal to minus 0.6, 0.5 minus 0.85. Z bus new is equal to Z bus old is 0.6, 0, 0.6, 0, 0.5, 0, 0.6, 0 and 0.85 minus here ZB is a branch impedance between bus number 2 and bus number 3 is 0.5. So 1 divided by 0.5 plus Z22 is a 0.5 plus Z33 is a 0.85 minus 2 times Z23 and 32 is a 0. So 2 into 0, and CB and CB transpose minus 0.6, 0.5, 0.85 and minus 0.6, 0.5 and minus 0.85. So is equal to 0.6, 0, 0.6, 0, 0.5, 0, 0.6, 0 and 0.85 minus 1 divided by 1.85 into multiply to the two matrix 0.6 into 0.6, 0.36, minus 0.6 into 0.5, 0.3 minus 0.51, 5 into minus 0.3, 0.25, 0. minus 0.425 minus 0.85 into 0.51 minus 0.425 and 0.7225. Now the Z is equal to 0.6, 0, 0.6, 0, 0.5, 0, 0.6, 0, 0.85 minus 1 divided by 1.85, 0.36 divided by 1.85 is equal to 0.1946, 0.3 divided by 1.85 minus 0.1621, 0.51 divided by 1.85, 0.2756. Similarly, 0.3 is a 0. minus 0.1621, 0.25 divided by 1.85, 0.1351 and 0.425 divided by 1 minus 0.2297. Similarly, 0.51 divided by 1.85, 0.2756, 0.525 minus 0.2297 and 0.9225, 0.4595, and thus this matrix minus this matrix. So Z bus nu is equal to 0.4054, 0 minus 0.1621, 0.6 minus 0.256, 0.3244, 0 minus 0.1621, 0.5 minus 0.1351, 0.3649, 0 minus 0.22, तो 0.2297, 0.6 minus 0.2756, 0.3244, 0 minus 0.2297, and 0.85 minus 0.4595 is here 0.3905, and here the 0.459. This is the final answer of Z bus.